We are going to see about Plasmodium parasite. Plasmodium is the unicellular protozoan parasite. It is responsible for causing malaria in humans. It is one of the most important disease-causing parasites worldwide. Plasmodium is an obligate intracellular parasite. It requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. The parasite is transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquito. It invades liver cells and red blood cells in humans. Well-known species of Plasmodium are Plasmodium vivax, which causes benign tertian malaria; Plasmodium falciparum causes malignant malaria; Plasmodium malariae causes quartan malaria; Plasmodium ovale causes mild tertian malaria. Hosts of Plasmodium. Human is the intermediate host. Female Anopheles mosquito is the definite host. Sexual reproduction occurs in the mosquito. Asexual reproduction occurs in human. When we see the morphology of Plasmodium, Plasmodium shows different forms during its life cycle. Main forms include sporozoite, merozoite, and gametocyte. Each form is structurally adapted to its host. The parasite lacks locomotory organelles. This is the structure of Plasmodium. Mode of transmission. Transmission occurs through the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. Sporozoites are injected into the human bloodstream. They rapidly migrate to the liver. The infection spreads from liver to blood cells. Life cycle in human host. Sporozoites enter liver cells and multiply. Merozoites are released into the bloodstream. They infect red blood cells. Rupture of RBCs produce malarial symptoms. Life cycle in mosquito. Mosquito ingests gametocytes with infected blood. Fertilization occurs in the mosquito gut. Zygote develops into ookinete and oocyst. Sporozoites migrate to salivary glands. This diagram is showing the life cycle of the Plasmodium parasite. When the mosquito bites a healthy person, it transmits the sporozoites into the bloodstream. The parasite will be there in the bloodstream for about half an hour. Later, it enters into the liver cells, and in the liver cells, it starts multiplying, see shown, and this is shown after multiplication will be forming the merozoites. The merozoites are liberated into the bloodstream and they get into the erythrocyte where it will be converted into trophozoites and later on to gametocyte. These gametocytes, when the mosquito bites the infected person, it enters into the gut of the mosquito where the fertilization happens. and afterwards it will be converted into sporozoites, and these sporozoites will be moving to the salivary gland of the mosquito. Again, when the mosquito bites a healthy person, it transmits the parasite into a healthy person. Like this, the life cycle of Plasmodium parasite takes place. Malaria is a serious parasitic disease. It affects millions of people globally. It is characterized by periodic fever attacks caused due to destruction of red blood cells. Symptoms of malaria are high fever accompanied by chills and sweating, headache, nausea and muscle pain, anemia due to destruction of RBCs. Severe cases may lead to death. Diagnosis of malaria: microscopic examination of stained blood smear, rapid diagnostic tests for antigens, detection of parasitic stages in RBCs. Early diagnosis helps effective treatment. Prevention and control: use of mosquito nets and repellents, control of mosquito breeding sites, use of antimalarial drugs, public health awareness programs.